Year-round air conditioning system. The year-round air conditioning system should have equipment for both the summer and winter air conditioning. The outside air flows through the damper and mixes up with the recirculated air which is obtained from the conditioned space. The mixed air passed through a filter to remove dirt, dust, and other impurities. In summer air conditioning, the cooling coil operates to cool the air to the desired value. The dehumidification is obtained by operating the cooling coil at a temperature lower than the dew point temperature apparatus dew point. In winter, the cooling coil is made inoperative and the heating coil operates to heat the air. The spray type humidifier is also made use of in the dry season to humidify the air. Thank you.